Amid growing concerns over questionable flood control projects, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. urged the newly elected officials of the League of Provinces of the Philippines to speak out against any form of irregularity in both national and local government initiatives. More in this report with Creseling Catarong.
Para sa mga bagong opisyal ng LPP, magsisilbing gabay, magsisilbing boses, at higit sa lahat, magsilbi kayong konsensya.
This was President Marcos Jr.'s appeal to the governors during his speech in the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected officials of the League of Provinces of the Philippines held at the Malacanang Palace on Wednesday. The president emphasized that public funds must be used solely for the benefit of the people, not for the personal or political gain. The chief executive's appeal follows the discovery of anomalies in several Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH flood control projects, including reports of ghost projects that never existed on the ground. This revelation prompted a comprehensive investigation into the matter. Marcos expressed outrage over the misuse of government funds, warning that contractors involved in fraudulent projects would be blacklisted and could face charges of economic sabotage.
Kaya't hinihikayat ko kayo, paglingkuran natin ng buong katapatan ng sambayanan. Tiyakin natin nasa wasto ang mga proyekto na ipinapatupad ng pambansang pamahalaan at ng lalawigan. At isiwalat natin kung may makikitang taliwas.
The president called on LPP officials to act as the conscience of government, confronting deep-rooted issues and working to build a more transparent and accountable bureaucracy. The LPP, composed of all 82 provincial governors, operates under the mandate of Republic Act No. 7160 or the Local Government Code of 1991, which provides for the election of its regional and national executive board and a complete set of officers, led by the LPP president who presides over the General Assembly. For God and for my beloved country, the Philippines, this has been Creseling Catarong, SMNI News.